You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 34, or 5.831. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are x1 equals 8 and y1 equals 5. The coordinates of point 2 are x2 equals 3 and y2 equals 2. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals 8. x2 equals 3. y1 equals 5. y2 equals 2. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 34, or 5.831.